years before Jesus was born, there was prophecies in the Old Testament and the Hebrew Scriptures telling of a Messiah who was going to come. And Hazel's going to read to us one of those prophecies from the book of Isaiah, Isaiah chapter 9, beginning at verse 2. Is Hazel panicking?
The people who walked in darkness have seen a great light. They lived in a land of shadows, but now light is shining on them. A child is born to us, a son is given to us, and he will be our ruler. He will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Eternal Father, Prince of Peace. His royal power will continue to grow. His kingdom will always be at peace. He will rule as King David's successor, basing his power on right and justice, from now until the end of time. The Lord Almighty is determined to do all this.